Hey guys, I got a haircut. It's not my favorite haircut I've ever gotten. Yeah, my bangs are too short and it's way too short. But yeah, that is it. Okay, I'm wearing a see-through shirt. And I always like to make sure I'm wearing this because I love Jesus. Every time I wear a slutty shirt, I like to wear a cross because I love Jesus. I'm watching Reba. Did you know she has her own clothing line at Dillard's? Maybe. I don't know. Is that where we were? I went to Hollister and got things, and then I went to Victoria's Secret and got things, and then I went to PacSun to go get things, and it was not impressive, and it made me angry because I buy all my pants there, except for the ones that I'm wearing. And they don't have an American Eagle here. I like to buy shorts there. Look at my eyelashes. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Bye.